Welcome back to my channel. My name is Olga and I'm a fashion photographer from Sacramento. Today we have a spontaneous shoot here in my studio with collaboration of Pure Bride and her amazing designs. Let me introduce you my beautiful model Nadia. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me. I'm super excited to do this shoot. It looks beautiful, so stay tuned for the shots.
Yes. And that's perfect. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. I like you just be a doll, like you. Yes, love that. Beautiful. Yes. That's awesome. As always, I use Ultra Photo in my studio. As a key light, I use 4-inch octa on a model, and I want a really bright, even light. I want to shine in the scene. So I'm using 2 more lights from both sides, just reflecting off the ceiling, and 1 more light that will be on the model face directly with bare bulb, really harsh light, and 1 more light to have like little spark in the scene is from back shining here. Flowers and flowers, yes, I like that. The only tiny bit toward me. Yes, tiny bit. Perfect. Yeah, you can lean on her. Yes, love that. I'm gonna show you the pictures. Come here to see. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, I love that one.
That one is stunning. This one? Yes, stunning.
Oh, I like this one.
Yes.
Angry doll.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna do some not standing ones. Now we're gonna go even into more fashion. Okay. Like lay in here, sit in here, and sit like that. Okay. Here, like. Yes. Your open eyes. Yes. Yes, I love that. I love that. Yes. Yes. And look in camera. Perfect. Step tiny bit this way. Tiny bit. Yes, here. Perfect. Yes.
Oh, I like it.
That's stunning. Love it. Yes. And now I would like you, as you see, you do one left up. Beautiful. Good job. Yay. Okay, we can change the pose. So you maybe like stand like a mannequin. More mannequins there. Okay, and now you can interact with those. So think about your elegant hand. It's dull but elegant. Real elegant, yes. Perfect, love that. Yes, look at that. Vogue, yes. For the next step, we're gonna put our mannequins on the floor. Yeah, that's perfect. We're just gonna create a mess, like they just fall down here. Wow, I like it. Okay. Love this. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, not this part, but sideways. Perfect. Yes. Beautiful. Chin up. Perfect. From me slightly. From yes, here. That's stunning. Oh my God, girl, I love it. That's perfect. And your head head a little bit straight. So you like, you know, like a doll. Yes. Stunning. This is so good. Beautiful. How about, yeah, you just lean here, you're a real girl, and put your leg towards me, like kick me out. Yes, that's good. And strong look towards the camera. Perfect. That's so good. Wow, chin slightly up, yes. Yes. That's perfect. Super. Вот. Супер. Broken doll. I love that. This is art. We can print this for your store. Yes.
The black nails aren't even like that here.
Actually, here it makes sense. It really makes sense.
Mannequins.
Your black nails, yes, with black mannequins. Yeah. I love that. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's stunning. Oh, you're stunning! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For the second look, we decide to use an optical spot. It's so mysterious in here. I love it. Let's see results. And come closer to that one. Perfect. Yes, and this one. Perfect. That's it. That's it. You kind of like, maybe here. Perfect. And another hand. Perfect. Perfect. That's it. That's it. Here. Super. Okay, we're good. I like this one. Wow, so many amazing images created today. Thank you for watching and tell me what do you think about this shoot. Hit a like, subscribe, and I will see you in next one.